Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce you to WANIDA, West African Network of Infectious Diseases ACEs. The African Centers of Excellence, as you know, is a program that was initiated by the World Bank as part of their efforts to build scientific capacity on the African continent.
It's both a pleasure and an honor to be here today for the opening of this 3-day symposium. And I would like first to thank the WACBIP for hosting us today.
Firstly, this symposium is fully in line with your priorities set by President Macron. He mentioned indeed that education, professional training, employment, health are, among others, priority topics for collaborations between France and African countries.
We all will agree that the 21st century has witnessed a wave of severe infectious disease outbreaks, which has a devastating impact on lives and livelihoods. This has necessitated concerted efforts to build capacities in combating infectious diseases in the region.
I therefore applaud the WANIDA network, which is one of the most dynamic networks in the set of networks that we have under the ACE Impact Project, for picking this topic and striving to achieve this within the network.
Research is about COVID-19, a disease caused by SARS-CoV-2. So reports have indicated that African countries has mild cases of COVID-19. So my research is basically trying to understand why we have mild cases of COVID-19 in Ghana. Yes, so this will basically help in making policies and preparing ourselves for the future COVID-19 cases in Africa. Obviously, COVID-19 has taken lives, and we have had some coronaviruses before. This is more like another part of coronaviruses, and we don't know about the future.
I'm standing before you to make my presentation on the topic, Cell-Based Screening of KGS Healthcare Open Global Health Library for identification of new drug candidates for the treatment of schistosomiasis. I'm working on schistosomiasis. It's a funded research on the African Center of Excellence for Neglected Tropical Disease and Forensic Biotechnology. My work aims to test, to find cure to schistosomiasis. So schistosomiasis is a neglected tropical disease. It's also called bilharziasis. One of the classical symptoms associated with the disease is blood in the urine or blood in the stool. I can say that WANIDA Symposium has given me a privilege to interact with people that I can say there is a possible collaboration with them in areas that I'm currently working on. So this is an avenue that will foster collaboration between researchers such as me that I'm coming from Nigeria.
We're just coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, and we've realized that there's a need for African governments and scientists to mobilize and to work together. And that's why we have a Pan-African response to really properly fight emerging and re-emerging pathogens, and to basically be prepared to fight this properly and efficaciously.
Alors l'intérêt de ces symposiums, c'est de renforcer les collaborations entre les centres d'excellence, ce qui est très important, aussi bien pour les chercheurs pour une collaboration transnationale entre plusieurs pays que pour de manière pluridisciplinaire, parce que nous sommes dans le domaine du numérique, nous, mais nous avons vu plein de thématiques qui nous intéressent, comme le domaine du malaria, le paludisme, tout ce qui touche les épidémies et autres. Donc nous avons beaucoup de thématiques sur lesquelles nos centres travaillent déjà.
Du premier jour à la fin de ce symposium, j'ai pu avoir la possibilité de suivre des thématiques très intéressantes qui sont développées. Donc je vais essayer de voir parmi toutes les thématiques, qu'est-ce que je pourrais adapter à mes travaux de recherche afin de les rendre beaucoup plus intéressantes et avoir des résultats qui vont profiter à l'amélioration de la santé publique en Afrique de l'Ouest.
IRD has been very fortunate to be part of the ACE program since 2014, working closely with World Bank, French Development Agency, and now with the Association of African Universities. And we are now working closely with the ACE to support thematic networks of excellence within the ACE program.
Quand on participe à un concours, on rêve tous d'avoir le meilleur des prix. Oui, je rêvais d'avoir le premier prix et je suis très heureuse de l'avoir obtenu. 10 étudiants, mais finalement 9 ont participé. Ma recherche consiste à trouver des solutions écologiques pour lutter contre Aedes aegypti, un vecteur majeur de plusieurs arboviroses dans le monde. Il s'agit notamment du vecteur qui transmet la dengue, le virus Zika, le virus chikungunya et le virus de la fièvre jaune. Donc, il nous faut vraiment trouver une solution.